Okay, so because this tube is a bit stiff, I'm going to have to hold it in place because we want to make sure that we're not pulling the cleaning tube, out of alignment. So I'm just going to hold it there. And so this will go into the water. And we could also use a cleaning solution tube before we've done this. If we pulled our protein out and it was precipitated, we could rinse with soapy, like a Contrad solution. A lot of these detergents, 3 to 5% solution in water is plenty. So I'm going to turn on the vacuum here, and as soon as I turn it on, you're going to start to see that we're going to be, so now we're rinsing. And this will rinse fairly quickly. We can do a liter in about 10 minutes or so, depending on how much vacuum pressure we have.
Normally, is that freestanding?
Yeah. This would just be freestanding. If it had looser tubing, you would just turn that on and walk away. The one thing you want to make sure is that you empty out your filter flask before, so you don't back up water into your vacuum system.